Welcome back to more Harbor Freight, and today's a simple video. We have the dollar days, the new dollar day coupons, new refreshed ones actually starting today. So this is coupons in store or online. It says April 10th through April 23rd. Tons of brand new coupons for some of Harbor Freight's top items. These dollar days are the best, obviously best to combine when you're going in store with other deals. And of course, Spring Black Friday is going on right now. Just a reminder, 35% off, in-store only, all Icon pliers, hammer, screwdrivers, 35% off, all jack stands. And then they kind of, on the front page, left out the 50% off all welding wires, rods, and tips. But let's just go ahead and go through the new dollar days. Greenwood, 5/8 inch to 3/4 inch hose mender. Your choice of either female or male. $1, that's 50% off. Gordon utility blades with dispenser 10-pack, $1, 49% off. Pittsburgh's magnetic bulldog clip set 3-piece, $1 for 59% off. Warriors 2 7/8 inch magnetic bit holder for $1, 59% off. Vanguard's 3-way grounded adapter for $2, 28% off. Storehouse 14 16 gauge watertight heat shrink butt connectors, 10-piece for $2, 33% off. The retractable razor blade scraper, $2, 33% off. Avanti 6-inch premium paint roller frame, best quality, $2, 19% off. Pittsburgh's 4.5-inch diagonal cutters for $2, that's 33% off. Hallmaster has these 3/16-inch quick links 3-piece, $2 at 19% off. Pistol grip blowgun from Merlin for $3, almost 40% off. More Merlin 1/4-inch steel industrial coupler, your choice of either female or male, for $3, 18% off. Storehouse wire connector assortment, 158-piece, $3. Those are 39% off. Western Safety high performance UV safety glasses, your choice here of either the smoke lenses or the clear lenses, $3, 24% off. Hallmaster 3-inch PVC swivel casters for $3 at 14% off. These Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 12-inch ratcheting bar clamp / spreader, $4 at 19% off. This hard to see 5 foot 6 inches by 7 foot 6 inches camouflage all-purpose weather resistant tarp, $4 at 19% off. Pittsburgh's 3/8 inch 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric socket set, 40-piece. For $5, 37% off. That seems like a pretty decent deal. 16-ounce jet spray carb choke and parts cleaner for $5, 22% off. Some US General alert, 18-inch by 72-inch non-slip toolbox solid liner. Ooh, that's really good. The liners, having liners, if you don't have liners, having liners is really good. Get these for your mini toolboxes. Do the mini toolboxes come with it? I'm not sure. But $5, 37% off. Hallmaster E-Track tie-off strap with D-ring, $6, 14% off. The Hallmaster 3,333 pound capacity 24-inch by 2-inch axle straps and D-rings, $6, 40% off. Pretty decent strap prices here. Then the Pittsburgh multi-bit precision screwdriver set, 34-piece, also 40% off. That is also seems like a really good deal. $6, 39% off. And then One Stop Gardens 27-inch round nose mini shovel with comfort grip handle for $8, only 11% off. That doesn't sound as good. And then one thing I did want to note, I believe this is a new super coupon also going through this is going through the 20th. The new dollar days are going through the 23rd, is the Hallmaster, the new trailer, of course, 2,000-pound capacity, 5 foot by 10 foot custom modular utility trailer. It's $100 off. It says pre-sale orders available. Not available in Alaska, Delaware, Hawaii, Louisiana, Pennsylvania, or West Virginia. So sorry for that, folks. $100 off. I have seen this is, I believe, the best discount that they've offered so far on this trailer, with the exception of whenever there's a 15% coupon or if there's a 20% coupon. Although I don't believe we'll see any 20% coupons anytime soon. They've been doing a lot of 15% off any single items. But anyways, we can dream. But this is a new super coupon for the Haul Master. And that's what we have for today. Happy Harbor Freighting. Tomorrow is access to everybody for the Spring Black Friday. Hopefully your stores aren't out of stock. So good luck out there. Hopefully you find these useful. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.